Hello, welcome to the training video for how to use SMS Pro's Issue Manager module. In this video, we will specifically be looking at the Classify tab, which is the responsibility of the Safety Manager. The Classify tab, though short, has far-reaching implications into many aspects of SMS Pro. You will want to access this tab after you have reviewed issue details, performed an initial risk assessment, and set a target closure date in the Assess tab. Here you can configure the security of the issue, assign a responsible department head to manage the issue, create, manage, edit, and set KPIs, associate classifications, and suggest any corrective preventative actions. First, safety managers have several optional things that they can do, such as change the issue title and/or type of concern, restrict the issue so that it is only viewable by the submitter and by management, such as department heads and safety managers. All other users will not be able to see it. Make the issue confidential, where only the safety manager and an investigation team will be able to see it. If you do select it, you will not be able to unselect it, so select carefully. Mark the issue as being a proactive issue, which can be useful for performance data, graphs, charts, and audits. If the issue has been marked as sensitive, which is when a user reports the issue as not allowing others to see, you can create a title and description for all users to see so that the organization knows an issue has been submitted and is pending review by management before being released. It is a useful way to maintain the most reasonable amount of transparency possible. If you would like to use this functionality, click Update, at which time your title and description will appear to all users in the Issue Manager. Once permissions have been reviewed and updated if needed, you will need to assign a responsible manager to manage the issue. Usually, this assigned manager is a department head. Note that to assign a manager, you must have completed a risk assessment, set a target closure date, and the responsible manager must have an SMS department head or SMS safety manager user role. The assigned manager's responsibilities are to accept, create, and delegate CPAs in the Manage tab. Simply choose the department and responsible manager and click the green Add icon. Next, you will classify the issue based on any number of classifications. Classifications can be very helpful for department heads to determine the best corrective actions to use for the current issue. To assign classifications, select which type of classification you would like, navigate through the classification tree if you'd like, select, drag, and drop your item to the classification box, and the classification will automatically update. If you are unsure what a specific classification means, hover over it to see the given description. You can create any number of classifications and classify categories, subcategories, and base level items. The classifications you choose will be incorporated and reflected in all data-oriented parts of SMS Pro, such as key performance indicators, goals, charts and graphs, data analysis, reports, and so on. If the chosen classification has a symbol next to it, it means that it has been chosen as a KPI. And if the text is purple, then it has been chosen as automatically triggering an investigation when chosen. I hardly need to point out that classifications should be chosen with careful consideration. If you decide to remove a classification, you simply need to select it in the classification box and drag and drop it back into the classification tree. All classifications are fully customizable. This great functionality is found in the Toggle Edit mode right below. Here you can create any new classification, edit existing ones, and set any classification as being a KPI and/or requiring an investigation. For more information about this, please see the next training video where I demonstrate how to edit classifications and choose KPIs. After you have chosen your associated classifications, a checkmark will appear in the Classify tab, and you will have the option of linking reported safety issues that were also given the same classifications. To do this, simply select the report that you would like to link and then select Add Check Items. This is extremely useful and important for giving department heads the necessary information for creating high-quality CPAs. For example, when you link issues, department heads will be able to view all CPAs from the linked issues and each of those CPAs' effectiveness rating. Based on this information, department heads can assign only the most effective CPAs for the current issue. Likewise, the issue can be linked with suppliers, users, locations, and vehicles. Once an issue has been linked, a link icon will appear in the list of issues. Lastly, you can also create CPAs for the department head. These CPAs will appear in the Manage tab CPA list for department heads to manage. For more information about managing CPAs and the CPA process, see the Corrective Preventative Actions training video. In summary, you should now know how to update the issue title and concern, how to edit permissions and security for issues, how to assign the issue to department heads for further management, how to associate classifications with the issue, and how to link reports. For information about editing classifications and KPIs, or how to create, complete, and manage corrective actions, please see the next 2 training videos. To learn the next step and workflow for the Issue Manager, please see the video covering the Manage tab. Thank you for watching.